Hello guys, it's Clean Coder here, and today I'll be teaching you how to print files using Python and also how to have user input when you're printing the file. So there's three access modes that you want to remember to use: write only, which is W, write and read, which is W plus, and append only, which is A. When you're opening a file, you're gonna use file name, which equals open, and then you're gonna have the file and the type, and then you'll have the access mode, which goes right here. When you're closing the file, you just have the file name and close. So, first one is going to be very simple. I'm going to have the file pretty much print out a worker. This could be for if you have a company, or this could be used for anything really, but this is just the example I'm going to use. So I'm going to have workers actually, and then file, which is the name of the file that I want. So it's going to give me workers as the name. Then I'm going to open workers .txt since it's a file. Then A, since I'm gonna append to your workers file, right? And let's just put mark. And then after that, I'm gonna workers file and close. So what this should do is make the file and it prints mark. So this is great and all, but you're not gonna be able to. There's no user input. You pretty much have to set it here, and then it prints. It would be probably way easier to have it that where it has user input, and every time you use it, it replaces what you put in before. So what you can do to get user input is just follow these steps. So for the file, I'm just gonna have f equals open. Then I'm gonna have my file name, which is just gonna be file, and then text or txt, which is the file name. Then I have w plus, since I'm gonna read and write. I have x, which will equal input, and it'll be type here. And then after that, I have f write, and then x, and then I'll have f close, and yeah. So now when I run the code, it'll have type here, which is right here. I can type in anything really. So let's say grapes. So once I click enter, I can go to the file and I'll have grapes. Now let's say I don't want grapes. Let's say I wanted carrots. I can simply rerun the code, type in carrots. Now, when I go into the file, it'll have carrots instead of grapes. So, that's it for my tutorial on how to print using Python. Thanks for watching. If you liked, please like and subscribe. Also, tell me in the description if I need to change anything or what I did well on. And thanks, and have a good day.